Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you needed to send money quickly, but the transfer process seemed to drag on forever? I know the feeling. It's like watching paint dry, but with more financial anxiety. Today, we're diving into Paysend, a popular international money transfer service, and answering the burning question, how long does it actually take to send money using Paysend? Understanding Paysend. Brief overview. Paysend is a global money transfer platform that allows you to send money to over 125 countries. It's known for its fast and efficient service, but how fast is it really? Factors affecting transfer speed. Sending and receiving methods. The speed of your transfer can vary depending on the methods you choose. For instance, sending money directly to a bank account might take longer than sending it to a mobile wallet or cash pickup location. Currency conversion. If you're sending money to a different currency, the conversion process can add a few minutes to the transfer time. Country regulations. Each country has its own regulations regarding international money transfers. These regulations can impact the speed of the transfer. Typical transfer times. Instant transfers. Paysend offers instant transfers to select countries. This means your money can arrive within minutes of sending it. Same-day transfers. For many countries, you can expect your money to arrive on the same day or within a few hours. Next-day transfers. In some cases, transfers might take a day or two, especially if you're sending money to a remote area. Paysend speed compared to other services. Competitor analysis. Let's compare Paysend's speed to other popular money transfer services. Insert a table or graph comparing Paysend's transfer times to competitors like Western Union, TransferWise, or MoneyGram. Paysend's advantages. Based on the comparison, Paysend often offers faster transfer times than its competitors, especially for instant and same-day transfers. Tips for faster transfers. Verify recipient information. Double-check the recipient's name, account number, and address to avoid delays caused by incorrect information. Choose the fastest method. If you need the money to arrive quickly, opt for methods like mobile wallets or cash pickup locations. Avoid peak hours. Try to send money during off-peak hours to minimize processing time. Real-life examples. Personal anecdotes. Share personal stories or testimonials from others who have used Paysend to highlight the speed of the service. For example, you could talk about someone who sent money to a family member in a foreign country for an emergency and how quickly it arrived. Recap key points. Summarize the main points discussed in the video, such as the factors affecting transfer speed, typical transfer times, and Paysend's speed compared to competitors. Final thoughts. Emphasize that while Paysend generally offers fast transfer times, there can be variations depending on several factors. Encourage viewers to consider their specific needs and choose the money transfer service that best suits their requirements. Try Paysend. Invite viewers to try Paysend for themselves and experience the speed and convenience of its international money transfer service. Subscribe for more. Encourage viewers to subscribe to your channel for more informative videos on personal finance and money transfer topics. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Remember, when it comes to sending money quickly and efficiently, Paysend is a great option to consider.